I'm in this bitch P. Liddy, QP ski. Yeah, hey. Y'all caught me, man. Y'all caught me. That new gun is hard though. YouTube, hey, what's up, man? What's up with y'all? Y'all good? I'm straight. If y'all asking how I am, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Chilling. Got an unboxing video for y'all today, you know what I'm saying? Like the video if you ate some food today. If you ate today, like the video. I don't care if you ate some cereal, some noodles, a loaf of bread, some chili. Like the video if you ate some food today. But today, man, I got a little clothing try on haul for y'all. And I told y'all I was gonna have one of these coming for y'all. I hope y'all didn't think I was lying. But yeah, we about to get right into it. We about to open some clothes. I'm about to try them on for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm, you know what I'm saying? And this is my first time doing like a review over like, you know what I'm saying, a clothing website. So like I done bought clothes from places before, but this is my first time actually like buying multiple pieces and trying all of them to see if I really like them or not. Now, with that in mind, Shein is like one of the most highly recommended clothing websites for men and women. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna go see what they talking about then. Let me go place some orders, you know what I'm saying? Them packs came in the other day, you know what I'm saying? We about to get right into it. Got the pack in, man, you know what I'm saying? This came in a couple days ago actually. Or it came in, it came in like 2 days ago. Now, only thing I don't like about Shein, when you order from them, it'll tell you like it's gonna come in on a certain day, but when it actually comes, like sometimes your package can come in earlier than what it was supposed to. So I wasn't expecting it to come in so early because it wasn't supposed to be in this soon. But without further ado, man, enough talking, let me go in. I already opened the package. I know y'all see that, so it ain't even like I'm opening it. But yeah, man, we got a couple pair of shorts. I got a couple pair of shorts right here for y'all that I'm gonna try on. And we just gonna let y'all, I'm gonna let y'all rate them, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna give it a review. We're gonna see what Shein working with. We're gonna see if they worthy of my business. You know what I'm saying? Is they worthy of, you know what I'm saying? They just worthy in general, are they worthy? Y'all comment down below if y'all like these shorts, but let's open up the first pack. Hey, I ain't gonna cap to y'all. One thing I do like about Shein, I like the way that like how they packages is like air sealed. You know what I'm saying? Because you can order goddamn me, you know what I'm saying, 20 to 30 different pieces, right? But it's gonna come in a package that's like this big. I really like how they ship their stuff. It don't come in a big, super big package. So if you ever send somebody to go pick it up, then you gotta worry about carrying a whole lot of stuff. But first pair. First pair, got these, you know what I'm saying? I seen these on the website and I was like, I gotta have those. So I told myself I had to have these. Now, before I continue opening these up, I'm not gonna try on all the shorts right now. I'm gonna open all of them up first, then I'm gonna try them on for y'all later on. But this is what these look like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. I'm really feeling these. I'm glad, hopefully they ain't, you know what I'm saying, long, because I like short shorts. But that's the first pair, you know what I'm saying? Got the second pair right here. And y'all, like I told y'all, I be dressing, but, you know what I'm saying? I like throwing on flight stuff too. I don't like feeling like I always have to like go all out, you know what I'm saying? I like to just be able to just throw on something slight and still look good. Like what I got on right now, somebody might think it's drip, but I look at it as just night attire. Like something that I'll just wear on the regular. Got the second pair right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm really feeling these. I like this blue. It say potential. It say potential on the front, you know what I'm saying? Cause I got potential. Y'all got potential. And since y'all got potential, hit the subscribe button, like the video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got a hell of potential. By the way, we almost at 200 subs, man. We almost at 200 subs. Y'all get me there. Let's get there. Let's do it. But yeah, I like these, you know what I'm saying? These don't look like they long either. I'm gonna try all of them on for y'all, but yeah, these say potential. And yeah, hopefully they ain't too big. They look a little big. I might be tripping, but these look a little big. I don't know. We're gonna try them on. We're gonna see what's going on. Next pair. I think these some black ones. Yup, these hard. I had to have these. Y'all tell me these ain't hard, man. Hold on, I forgot what these say. Enjoy the ocean. Enjoy the ocean. That's another thing. Like the video if y'all been hearing about that submarine stuff that's been going on, man, with the people that went down to the ocean in that submarine. You know what I'm saying? I like these hard, but yeah, like the video if you heard about that. Yeah, that stuff crazy though, but next pair, see what's going on here. Oh yeah, I already know what these is. Yes, sir. Y'all talk to me, man, you know what I'm saying? What it say on the front? I'm here to collect. Yes, sir. We here to collect, you know what I'm saying? We here to collect all 2023. I like these because of the skulls on it. They give me that Frozone vibe, you know what I'm saying? For the people that don't know, Big Scar, my favorite rapper, RP Big Scar. Long live my dog, man. Long live my guy. But, you know what I'm saying? Next pair, we got these, you know what I'm saying? Same idea. Got the skull print all around though. These black and white, these a little more simple, you know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with these too, but these just mid. These mid. I ain't really gonna be able to style with these for us. Black and white can't really do much, but last but not least, come on Shein, send me out with a bang, man. Send your boy out with a bang, man. Give me a reason to come back. Ooh. Hey, I ain't gonna count. Looking at these on the picture, these look just like how they did on the picture, no count. It says Chicago on the front, you know what I'm saying? Pink camouflage joints. Got the pocket on the back. Hey, I'm ready to try all these on to see how they look, you know what I'm saying? Depending on how these shorts look and how they fit, Shein, I don't know, y'all might have just found y'all another loyal customer, you know what I'm saying? But we about to get right into it, though. I'm gonna let y'all see what they look like. Y'all don't forget, let me know what y'all think about these shorts, man. And if you didn't already order from Shein before, would you recommend anybody else to order from there? You know what I'm saying? Let me know, but enough of me talking. Got the first pair right here, you know what I'm saying? The one that said California on the front. These fit perfect. They feel good. They got more of a like a swim trunk type feel to them though, but I like the way they feel, you know what I'm saying? They fit right there above the knee. You know what I'm saying? Got the drawstrings on there. I might take these drawstrings out, but yep, that's the first pair, you know what I'm saying? Got the next pair, you know what I'm saying? Say potential on the front. These are a little bigger. Like, as far as like width, length, they cool, but width, they a little bigger, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really too much of a fan of these. I might wear these, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't really gonna wear these as much as the other ones. But yeah, got the next pair, you know what I'm saying? I knew these was gonna fit how they fit, you know what I'm saying? These fit perfect, just like the first pair, you know what I'm saying? Got the little ocean joint on the front. And they ain't got nothing on the back. I wish they would have put the waves on the back, but you know what I'm saying? These cool little shorts, I feel real comfortable in these, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I can move around, I feel like I can go do some big things. Got the next pair, you know what I'm saying? I wish these would have fit a little better because these would have definitely been my favorite pair if they wasn't so long. See, they fit good width-wise, but these just too long, you know what I'm saying? They still over the knee, but I got them pulled up pretty high, so. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? These got a little design on the back. I might still wear these, I don't really know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all let me know how y'all think they look on me. You know what I'm saying? I still like them, but wish they were shorter, but it is what it is. Next pair, you know what I'm saying? We got the little skull print just with the skull all the way around. I like these. These fit. I ain't gonna say they fit perfect, but they fit okay. You know what I'm saying? Now, like I was telling y'all, it really wouldn't be much I could really wear these with, but I'll probably wear these with something like exactly what I got on now. Just throwing some all white forces and some white sandals, probably black fitted or something, and that's the fit for today with these. Can't really go crazy with these, but at the same time, it's still a slight drip. And last but not least, you know what I'm saying, Shein sent me out with a bang, man. I really like these. These probably my favorite pair. These and the first pair I tried on, probably my favorite pair out of all the shorts I just tried on, no cap. Say Chicago on the front, you feel what I'm saying? Pink camo all the way around, you got a pocket on the back. I wish it didn't have this pocket on the back, for real, for real. But they still hard, you know what I'm saying? They still hard. I don't really know what I'll wear with these, honestly, because pink is a loud color. So if you pop out something like this, you gotta pop it all the way and the colors gotta match. But yeah, this is the last pair, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all think about all the shorts. If y'all fool with them, I will order some more for sure. If I had to give it a rating, I'll rate everything I tried on as far as the fit. Now the design, everything hard. All of the shorts hard. But as far as the fit, I had to give it a 7.5 out of 10. Because some of the shorts fit and some of them don't. Yeah, man. That's going to pretty much wrap up today's video, you know what I'm saying? Like I said before, I do plan on doing more videos like this, you know what I'm saying? As far as like ordering clothes, you know what I'm saying? Unboxing clothes and trying on clothes. I plan on doing more stuff like this because I really enjoy doing it. Like, I don't know what it is about it. I just like doing stuff like this. So y'all let me know whatever interests me, I'm gonna try to bring to y'all, and hopefully it interests y'all the same way it interests me. But like the video, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We almost at 200 subs. Come on, man. Y'all, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. We almost at 200 subs. We right there. We right there, y'all. We touching it. We touching that pack, you know what I'm saying? We just got to go in and grab it. We just got to go in and grab it. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. It's your boy DQ checking out. Gang. I want it.